Court is now in session. Bring in the parties.
Your Honor, I'm here.
Finally, you decide to show up.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Well, as ready as one can be. Mr. Toby, tell this court, where exactly were you these past weeks after claiming overtime?
I was working late. Mostly.
Mostly where? At work or at her house?
Well, Your Honor, he did come to my place a lot. A lot, you say? Care to clarify what a lot means?
Your Honor, quality hours. Sometimes I have to beg him to go before I sleep.
Order! Order! This is a courtroom, not a comedy show. Please, control yourselves.
Are you serious?
I can explain. It's not what it looks like.
Mr. Toby, go ahead. Explain yourself.
Your Honor, my wife, she doesn't give me attention. She always closes her legs.
Your Honor, he only goes for less than 10 seconds here.
Mr. Toby, you spend hours away and seconds at home? How is that possible?
Your Honor, it depends on the weather.
Hey, the weather? Even the weather doesn't favor me.
Your Honor, he used to come to my house because his side was too hot. Mrs. Toby, how did you discover his secret relationship?
He started coming home late. I got suspicious. Then I checked his phone and I saw thousands of texts. You are sweet. Last night was fun. Come over today. And many more.
No, my lord. She's lying. I have never asked him to come. Miss Aisha, were you aware he was married when you started dating? No, Your Honor. He never told me. Not until his wife called me. And when she called you and told you the truth, did the relationship continue? Yes, Your Honor. Even stronger.
What?
Why? Your Honor, he is very committed and he stays 4 hours straight. You mean Mr. Toby is fully endowed? That's why you don't want to leave the relationship?
No, yes, Your Honor. He also pays me. Hey, payment? For what?
No, Your Honor. She's lying.
Miss Aisha, can you prove it?
Yes, Your Honor. I have the evidence.
I'm finished.
Mr. Toby, speak up. Did you say something?
No, Your Honor. I was rehearsing my prayers.
Order! This is a courtroom. Please, control yourselves. Mr. Toby.
Your Honor, that was after my wife found out. She started blackmailing me.
Always telling me, I need money for this, I need money for that. If you don't pay, I'll tell your wife. Your wife.
That's not true. Your Honor, he is lying. Check the evidence.
Mr. Toby, what am I seeing here? For being sweet, another 50,000 for thanks for the hours, 20,000 again for being sweet.
My money!
No. It's not what you think.
Mrs. Toby, are you the one giving him money to give her?
Your Honor, he asked me for 200,000 last month. He said he was traveling for a business trip.
No, Your Honor. It's not like that. I can explain it.
I have heard enough. I hereby sentence you, Mr. Toby, to 48 hours of uninterrupted, your wife's attention.
Your Honor, please. Anything but that.
Oh, you will enjoy me for 48 hours.